Why are the world's biggest stars suddenly flocking to Jamaica this holiday season? In just one day, 18 private jets touched down at Sangster International Airport, carrying A-list celebrities like Idris Elba, DJ Khaled, and Drake. Is it the breathtaking views, the luxury lifestyle, or something even bigger? Let's dive into why Jamaica is hotter than ever. This holiday season, Jamaica has become the go-to destination for A-listers. British actor Idris Elba shared glimpses of his tropical getaway, while American rapper Young Miami gave fans a taste of her Jamaican vibes. DJ Khaled and Drake were also spotted arriving in Montego Bay, with luxury travelers lining up to enjoy the island's exclusive offerings. In just one day, Sangster International Airport saw 18 private jets arrive, marking a surge in high-profile visitors to the island. So, what's drawing these stars to Jamaica? For one, it's the island's reputation as a world-class luxury destination. From private villas at Tryall Club to the iconic GoldenEye Resort, Jamaica offers a unique blend of privacy, natural beauty, and top-tier service. And it's not just about the luxury. Jamaica's vibrant culture is a huge draw. The island's influence on music, fashion, and food is felt worldwide, making it the perfect getaway for those seeking inspiration and relaxation. Plus, there's no better time to visit than the holiday season. With perfect weather and festive energy, Jamaica has become a prime winter escape for the rich and famous. But there's another reason Jamaica is in the spotlight right now: Vybz Kartel's Freedom Street Concert. This historic event, happening on December 31st, marks Kartel's first live performance since his release from prison, and it's drawing global attention. With stars like Popcorn, Spice, and Skillabang joining the stage, this concert has become one of the most anticipated events in dancehall history. It's no wonder celebrities like Drake, a known Kartel fan, are making their way to Jamaica. This surge of celebrity arrivals isn't just exciting, it's a huge boost for Jamaica's economy. Private jet landings, luxury accommodations, and high-end spending are pouring millions into the local economy. And let's not forget the cultural impact. Events like Kartel's concert and the global spotlight on Jamaica's vibrant lifestyle help elevate the island's brand on the world stage. Whether it's for the luxury, the culture, or to witness dancehall history in the making, Jamaica has become the place to be this holiday season. So, what do you think? Are they here on vacation, or are they here for Vybz Kartel's concert, or both? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Jamaican travel moments in the comments below. Until next time, one love.